What is good, everybody? This is a recap for the DOTS Bias Trading Indicator. Today is Friday, August 22nd, in the middle of the summer vacation doldrums. We got Jackson Hole going on, Fed members speaking. So kind of a hybrid between, a lack of liquidity on the one hand, with volume, just market participants not being there, and just market moving news, like when Fed Chair Powell opens his mouth. So that said, coming into the day, this was the ALN profile. You could see London, which is this orange box, engulfing Asia, the blue box. Looking at NQ stats, 98% of the time, New York broke at least one side of London, high or low. So, considering the fact that we were flagging after 8 a.m., after London closes, and we were so close to London highs, this was the obvious draw on liquidity. Looking back from yesterday, we had the trading hours only high here, and then high here, high here, high here. This kind of equal high is just begging to get breached. So going down to a 1 minute chart, when the dots opens up, I was looking for green dots to take out London highs and then the previously indicated targets. So the market opens up and we get an immediate sell-off down to the VWAP and then an immediate rejection. And then we had Chair Powell speaking at 10. So there were some landmines, but I told my group, you just want to be very deliberate with your setups, honor your risk, and just let the chips fall where they may on a day like today. So right here, we had London highs get tagged. So after that, I'm looking for the continued move to the upside, previous day high, equal highs, like I said before. So at 9:39, we had a dot setup. So I entered using ATR of about 28 points, close enough for government work. Close enough for government work. And this setup worked pretty quickly. Sorry for the lack of enthusiasm on this video. I don't know how to edit. I'm not going to edit this out, but I just got distracted with the text. So dots setup worked here. That was basically my one and done trade. You could see Powell came in at 10 a.m. and then the market just took off. There was a one dot entry function set up here. I think the ATR was like 50 points, so that worked. Retracements to EMAs, EMA breakout, that worked. Fair value gaps to new highs worked. And then this was the only other kind of setup that I would have paired with NQ stats, the initial balance breaks. So you basically, if price from 9:30 to 10:30 closes in the upper 50% of the first hour, that there's a high likelihood that the initial balance high is going to get tagged. So you can see 10:30, we're clearly in the upper half, and basically just looking for this high to get hit. Pick your poison. Could be an EMA breakout, fair value gap. We're in a 2 minute fair value gap here. Again, ATR 50-ish points. Then you can see we went up there pretty readily. So that was kind of the day. Pretty straightforward day. Dots green kept you on the right side of the market, which is the name of the game. Yeah, at minimum, you weren't shorting. Don't fight the trend. So 7-day free trial, link in the bio if you want to try them out. Code DOTS for 20% off any subscription. Yeah, hit me up if you have any questions. Have a good weekend.